G'day, V-Dubbed here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to start putting some of the items back onto the Baja Bug just to show some progress, so looking forward to that. And just before I get started, I've noticed YouTube stats that only 6% or 4% are subscribed. So most of you watching these videos aren't subscribed. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and help the channel to grow. So Josh has just scuffed this all up, ready for the bed liner. So all I want to do is mask up these lights. So, yeah. Yeah, that's one more.
Is that it? Done.
Yeah. Okay, that's ready to spray tomorrow. Brakes and grease remover. We're going to be spraying with the Bully rubber liner, so going to give us a good shake and we'll start spraying. The good thing with this is that it's ultra low in VOCs and it's water based, so you don't need any masks or anything like that, because there's no harmful chemicals to breathe. And yeah, it's good stuff to work with. Yeah. So that's the spray gun. Very simple, and all we do is pop that on like that, and we're ready to go. So I've got the compressor set at 40 psi, and that's what they recommend you spray it. So let's give it a go. There's your two.
So they go on the top two, or which ones?
That's one grab.
That's my side.
So I'm not sure which ones it goes in. We'll just have to see when we lift it up. Okay, ready? Can I grab there? In.
There's only one hole that mine lines up with.
It goes in the bottom, front, and the top back.
Yes.
So if you just get your bolts in, and then what we're going to do is lift it and push it back. Put your bolts in. Are they in?
No.
What we need to do is lift it up and push it back at the same time as you tighten your bolts. So yeah, just like that, and push it back in towards the car.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, and just, do you need that or not? When it's tight. Okay, I'm going to start taking the tape off the light.
I think all the tape's off of mine.
Okay. Now we just step back and have a look. Is that the first piece we put back on?
Looks good on camera.
It's great. Many more to come. Thank you for watching. And in the next video, we'll continue to put the car together. And yeah, take care and God bless. Thanks again for watching. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.